Have you ever thought how much power a single word can have? Not a sentence, not a speech, just one word. This is the story of Arjun, a young man from a small town who believed English was something meant only for the lucky ones, the rich, the educated, the confident. He wasn't any of those. He worked in a small shop, spent his days carrying boxes and cleaning shelves, while customers spoke English like it was the easiest thing in the world. Every time someone asked him a question in English, his heart would race. He would smile nervously and pretend not to hear. And when they left, he would whisper to himself, "Maybe English just isn't for me." But one day, something changed. A foreign tourist came into the shop and asked him, "Can you help me find this?" Showing a picture on her phone, Arjun froze. He understood the question, but words refused to come out. He wanted to help, but all he managed to say was, "Wait, 1 minute." The tourist smiled kindly and said, "Thank you." That one word, "thank you," hit him differently. He thought about it all night. If two small words could make him feel so connected, what could happen if he learned more? The next morning, he made a decision, a small, simple decision, but one that would change everything. He told himself, "I'll learn one new English word every day." He didn't join expensive classes. He didn't wait for the perfect book. He just started with what he had, his phone, a notebook, and determination. Day by day, word by word, he grew stronger. He learned confidence, opportunity, believe. He started using them in small sentences with customers. "Thank you, sir. Please wait here. Have a nice day." Some customers smiled, some corrected him, but he never stopped. Months passed. One afternoon, his boss asked him to speak to a foreign buyer because no one else was available. Arjun's heart beat fast, just like before. But this time he smiled and said, "Hello, sir. How can I help you?" It wasn't perfect English, but it was brave English. That buyer later told his boss, "Your staff speaks English so politely." And from that day, Arjun was no longer just the shop assistant. He became the shop's translator, the person everyone trusted. Later, he even started teaching English to other workers after hours. The same people who once told him, "English is not for us." So what changed Arjun's life? Not luck, not magic, just one choice: to learn a single word every day. You don't need perfect grammar to start. You don't need a fancy accent to communicate. You just need the courage to say your first word and keep going. Remember, fluency doesn't come from fear. It comes from faith. Faith that your small steps will one day make you unstoppable. Because like Arjun, you too can change your life with just one English word today.